What are you doing? Oh, you're being so silly. Where you going? Where you going? Oh, you love the lion, don't you? Where's your hat? Where's your hat? Psst, 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 psst. Joseph. Joseph. Where's the hat? Can you get the hat? Don't. Where's your nose? Nope, that's your ear. Where's your nose? Oh, you petting the kitty? Come here. Jojo. Where's your mouth? Where's your mouth? Hmm? You don't want to play that game, do you? Good night. You're so cute. Where's your eye? Joseph. Oh boy, here we go. You're more interested in the lion, aren't you? Oh, you're being silly. Leave that alone, okay, buddy? Jojo. Joseph. Hey, Joseph. Okay, don't pull on that. It's gonna come down if you pull on it. Hey. Please don't do that. Don't do that. Where's your nose? Where's your nose? Show me your nose. Where's your mouth? Where's your mouth? Huh? Where? Well, you can't have my phone. You want to come up here? Hey, where's your... Hey, look. Get out of there. Get out. You're being so silly. Hey. You can't have my belt buckle, bud. It's my belt buckle. What's my belt buckle? Brrr. Honk. Oh, where's your belly button? Where's your belly button? Where's your belly button? Right there? Did your belly button? Yes, that's my belly button. That. Yes, belly button. Where's your mouth? Where's your mouth? You know your mouth and your nose and everything, don't you? Good night. You should be sleeping right now, sir. We have to go into the other room and try and put you back down.